In this video, let us discuss a question on number mapping. If 42 is mapped to 26, 71 to 78, 33 to 16, then 62 is mapped to A. 68, B. 54, C. 38 or D. 39. Solution. Given that 42 is mapped to 26, 71 to 78 and 33 to 16. Let AB be the term on the left side of the given statements. Then we can observe that AB mapped to A by B followed by A plus B is a predefined rule here. That is, first digit on the right side is the quotient when first digit on the left side is divided by the second digit on the left side. Also, second digit on the right side is the sum of numbers on the left side. Therefore, 42 is mapped to 4 by 2 followed by 4 plus 2, that is 26. 71 is mapped to 7 by 1 followed by 7 plus 1, that is 78. 33 is mapped to 3 by 3 followed by 3 plus 3, that is 16. Thus, 62 is mapped to 6 by 2 followed by 6 plus 2, which is 38. Hence, the right answer to the question is option C, 38.